How to remove marks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the timeline where the masked clip is located. Select the clip that contains the marks you want to remove. Then go to the color page where most masking is done using the power window. Next, look for the window tab in the middle of the interface. This is where you will see the shapes or marks applied to your clip, like circles, squares, or custom pen shapes. If any of these are highlighted, it means the marks is active. To remove it, simply deselect the shape so it no longer affects the image. If you want to delete the entire marks effect, the best way is to delete the node itself. Right-click the node in the node editor and choose Delete Node. This will remove the marks along with any adjustments tied to that node. Now, if the marks was added using Fusion, switch to the Fusion page. Look for nodes like Polygon, Ellipse, or bitmap marks. Select the marks node and press Delete on your keyboard to remove it from the composition. Finally, return to the edit page and review the clip to ensure the marks is no longer affecting it. You should now see the original video without any marks defects. And that's it. Now you know how to remove marks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.